Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the XB4 indicator for MT4. This simple yet powerful histogram based tool resembles the MACD, displaying blue bars for bullish momentum and red bars for bearish trends with a zero level reference line for quick trend identification. In this video you'll see how the XB4 works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. The XB4 indicator is a simple yet powerful trading tool suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, resembling the MACD histogram and forming a separate window at the bottom of your chart divided by a zero level line. Blue histogram above the line indicates bullish momentum, while red histogram below signal bearish trends. With the indicator working by combining multiple technical indicators, including moving averages and oscillators, to generate buy and sell signals. This indicator works for both short-term and long-term trading, but is most effective on timeframes of 1 hour or lower and can be applied to any currency pair, making it a versatile tool for forex trading. On the chart, the XB4 indicator displays in a separate window below the main chart with a clear zero level reference line dividing bullish and bearish zones. As you can see here, this is the zero level line. The color-coded histogram makes it easy to spot market trends at a glance without the need for complex line drawing or interpretation, providing visual cues without cluttering your charts. A heel-like shape formed during strong trends serves as a visual cue for trend strength and possible exit points, with histogram elongation indicating strengthening trends and sloping or color changes signaling potential reversals. A buy signal occurs when a blue histogram forms above the zero level line. With the further the histogram extends from the line, the stronger the uptrend, as we can see here. A sell signal is generated when a red histogram forms below the zero level line. With the longer the histogram moves away from the line, the stronger the downtrend. And traders should enter when the histogram changes color from blue to red, confirming bearish momentum. Traders should exit long positions once the histogram changes from blue to red, exit short positions when the histogram shifts from red to blue, and be cautious when the histogram oscillates near the zero level line, as this indicates weak and potentially unstable trends. You can adjust its period in the settings and also its color for the histogram. The XB4 indicator is suitable for beginners looking for simple and beginner-friendly tools, short-term traders on 1 hour or lower time frames, and traders seeking clear buy and sell signals via histogram color changes. Its strengths include working on any currency pair and multiple time frames, providing visual cues without cluttering charts, and generating definite easy-to-see signals, ideal for new traders. However, using XB4 in conjunction with other indicators can improve trading accuracy, since standalone use may produce false signals, and combining it with price action analysis enhances trading accuracy for more reliable results. You can download the XB4 indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how an MACD style histogram with zero level reference and color coded bars can provide simple trend identification for short term trading strategies. If you like histogram based momentum indicators with clear visual signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.